Broadcast Jamaican now gear the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Medical Association for Jamaica, MAJ, say Prime Minister Andrew Holness must cancel the 1 a.m. curfew for New Year's Eve. Dr. Lucien Jones, or the Vice Chairman for the National Road Safety Council, say him a worry cause people who dead on the road jump to 470 from 432 when you look on the same time last year. The St. Ann police said them a look for the people them who shut up an illegal party were kept in a Old Folly in a Discovery Bay yesterday. Barbados are going to vote for a new government in a them general election we are keep next month. Now for the full tour of them. The Medical Association for Jamaica, MAJ, say Prime Minister Andrew Holness must cancel the 1 a.m. curfew for New Year's Eve. According to the MAJ, the country COVID-19 positive rate gone up to 25.2% from 10.8%. According to Dr. Brian James, or the president for the MAJ, them for put back the curfew at 10 o'clock. On top of that, him said the country must look out for 1,500 people that catch the virus in the middle part of January every day if the Omicron variant they in the country already. Police charge one man after them find one handgun and enough bullet on 9th Street in a trench town yesterday. The man, a 24 years old Raymond Sylvester, who people call Prince, and them charge him for have gun and bullet where him nav no lie so far. According to the report from the Denham Town Police, around 5:45 p.m. one team did up on patrol when them see Sylvester with one handgun. When them reach near him fling with a gun and try run. The police said them hold on pan him and find one Taurus 9mm pistol with having 8 bullets. Dr. Lucien Jones, or the Vice Chairman for the National Road Safety Council, say him a worry cause people who dead on the road jump to 470 from 432 when you look on the same time last year. Dr. Jones says 6 people dead on the road between Christmas and Boxing Day, and this not right because the council did beg people to take care on the road, especially on the holiday them. On top of that, him say one 81 years old smaddy amongst the people them who dead on the road. Mr. Jones said the amount of people who are dead on the road vex the Road Safety Council because right now people for happy and spend time with them family and them no fear dead in a car accident. The St. Ann police said them a look for the people them who shut up one illegal party were kept in a Old Folly in a Discovery Bay yesterday. 5 smaddy get shot and 2 of them dead. According to Superintendent Dwight Powell, who are the head for the St. Ann Police, the shooting go on after people being a cussing at the party around 12:20 a.m. The dead people them are 23 years old Tamara Kelly and 21 years old Roger Linton. The 2 of them come from Discovery Bay. The police said them are looking at Wagwan, but them are going to charge somebody who keep the party cause them never get no license or permit for no party keep. News from the rest of the Caribbean. Barbados are going to vote for one new government in a them general election we are keep next month. Prime Minister Mia Mottley said this yesterday evening when she did a talk to the country. She said January 3 are going to be nomination day and the election upon January 19. Under Barbados law, election never due for another 18 months. Mottley did lead our Barbados Labour Party for win every seat in the last election we keep. The biggest challenge in the election are going to come from the Democratic Labour Party, DLP, where Varia De Pays are run. This is going to be the first election in the history of Barbados where 2 women are run for the Prime Minister for the country. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just gear the news in the Jamaican language.